So today we are going to teach you how to create a new YouTube channel account on the same Gmail. Let's just say this is my YouTube account, okay? And now we want to create another YouTube account on the same Gmail, just like this. You see this? You see this? And you see this, right? So now we're going to create a new YouTube account on the same Gmail. It's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is you click right there, and then you click on the setting, and then right here you can see there's like this thing called create a new channel. When you click on that, you can just type anything you want. I would say my dog's name, Nala Life, whatever that is, okay? And then you press this understand, and then press create. And then now you make yourself a new YouTube account on the same Gmail, okay? You can see this. Brand new account. If you switch right here, you can see there's another account already. Okay, so this is how it works. So you just need to go to the setting, and then you can create another new account. And then you can say create a new channel. And then you can say Nala's stupid, and then press understand, and then that's it. You just create yourself a new channel with the same Gmail. That's it. Alright, please subscribe my channel and share this video, and we just create two separate accounts right here. Alright, thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.